In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Snapchat call history. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat app. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture or Bitmoji to head over to that page. After that, tap right here at that gear to go to settings. And now we need to scroll down all the way until just under that privacy controls we'll find clear data. Now I'm gonna tap on it, and that's where at the very top we can easily find clear conversations. Right here we can clear any conversation history. So first off I need to search for a conversation. Let's say I'm gonna clear that one, and once I tap right here at that cross button next to a conversation, and then if I hit at clear, that will clear all that conversations history, including call history, because call history is also stored inside the conversation. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.